Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be comparing the two popular TP Link routers, the Archer C64 and the Archer C6. So let's find out which one is better for you. So both the routers have a similar compact design with four external antennas. They are easy to set up and fit well in most of the home environments. The Archer C64 and C6 both supports dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5.5 GHz. However, the Archer C6 offers slightly faster speed, making it better for heavy streaming and gaming. Both routers deliver reliable performance for everyday internet use. Now, the Archer C6 comes with MU-MIMO technology, which allows it to handle multiple devices more efficiently, reducing lag. The Archer C64 lacks this feature, but this performs well in homes with fewer connected devices. Now, both the routers offer similar connectivity options, including 4 Ethernet ports for wired connections. They also support TP Link's Tether app for easy management and control. Now, if we talk about the price and the value, so the Archer C64 is generally more affordable, making it a great budget option. The Archer C6, on the other hand, is slightly more expensive, offers better performance, especially for homes with many devices. So you can choose the Archer C6 if you need faster speeds and better handling for multiple devices. If you are on a budget, then don't need you don't need extra features, the Archer C64 is a solid choice for you. So if you want to purchase any of these, I will put the best buying link of these down in the description, so do check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching.